Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make a simple, cheap, universal iPad holder. Materials you will need is a straight edge, measuring tape if your straight edge does not have measurements, Gorilla Tape, strong clear packing tape, a utility knife with a new blade, a pencil, scissors, one 20 by 30 foam board. Walmart sells these in 2 packs for $8, which will make about 4 holders. First thing to do is to measure the board and cut in half so that you have 2 pieces measuring 15 by 20. Next, measure 3 lines, 5 inches, spanning the 15-inch side of the board so that way you have 4 quarter sections. On the outer sections, measure and mark about 8 3/4 inches from the edge. This will be roughly where the diagonal lines will join. Then from the corner of the board, draw a 10-inch diagonal line to make one side of the triangle. Do the same to the other side. Each side of the triangle should be about 10 inches. Now do the same to the other side. Now you will flip the board to make the last triangle. On this one, you use the existing lines to measure 2 inches from the bottom. Then you will measure and mark about 10 3/4 inches from the center edge. Measure and draw 10-inch sides starting from the 2-inch side markings you made. Now it is time to cut out all the triangles. Make sure you cut all the way through the board, and you can even go an inch or so past the line. It's easier to go in the same direction, then flip the board and cut the other lines. The last cuts you will make are 2 small 10-inch strips. Measure out a 10 by 1 inch rectangle. Cut out 2 10 by 1/8 or 1/4 inch strips. You should now have 2 10 by 10 by 10 triangles, 1 10 by 10 by 10 triangle with a 2-inch base. Now it is time to assemble. First thing is to score the base of the largest triangle. Cut this, but do not go all the way through. Then from the bottom, measure, draw, and score about 1/2 inch from the bottom. Gently bend the scores. This will hold your iPad once fully assembled. Measure out 3 10-inch pieces of Gorilla Tape. Adhere the tape to one side of the largest triangle. Flip it over and attach the other triangle piece. Continue until all the sides are secured together. Next, you need to reinforce the folds of the base using the 2 10-inch strips we cut earlier. I use the strong packing tape because it is easier to work with and more forgiving than the Gorilla Tape. Cut off any excess tape and you can put more tape on the inside of the fold for extra stability. What I like about this holder is it won't be easily lost, and it's easy to use for small hands. This holder keeps the iPad still for our wiggly worms during virtual learning. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps your students.